In spite of your struggles and obstacles, you have the ability to be a blessing to all who know you. You can bring hope and faith to everyone you meet. You are an opportunity for change. Every prayer you pray moves you closer to your goals. The growth you will experience will be a sign of God's hands at work in your life. Your financial breakthroughs will be a sign of God's blessings. The clarity and peace you find in your mind and heart will be a sign of God's love for you. Trust that the choices you make are leading you closer to God's heart. Regain the sense of your moral compass. Let go of any hurt that is holding you back. God wants you to lead a happy and fulfilled life, full of purpose and meaning. But in order to do that, you need to put your trust in Him. You need to have faith that He will guide you and lead you down the path He has set for you. You need to believe that He has a plan for you, and that nothing is impossible for Him. And when you do that, my friend, you will be able to achieve anything. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, and no mind has imagined what God has prepared for those that love Him. So stand together and proclaim your faith in the Lord. Show the world that with God, nothing is impossible. And always remember 3 things. God is with you. Still with you. Always with you. God bless you. Like and subscribe the video if you believe.